Guys, so you are in the process of wanting to come here to Thailand. What you need to do in order to apply is the so-called Thailand PASS. This is the new system that was created not long ago. Probably working on your Thai PASS right now and you have questions about how to apply. I've made easy step-by-step guide on how to successfully apply. To come here you need to be vaccinated. In the test and go package for Bangkok and Phuket it's a bit different on the requirements. You need to have a COVID test, transportation booked in Bangkok, everything from hotel, where in Phuket you don't need to. You can find your own provider as long as the transportation is Share Plus and the hotel as well. There's some stuff you need to be aware. You cannot use PDF files in your application. You need to use pictures. You can take with your phone, for example, or convert those pictures. They are improving the system, but right now this is what you need to do if you are in the process of applying. If you are looking to come here with the test and go package in Phuket, you can decide your own transportation as long as it is Share Plus. And the hotel as well, you can book that. You need all the documents prepared when you are searching or applying for the application. So you need the plane ticket and all the documents in order to come here. If you have visa, you will need that as well, but this is not a requirement, so you can come here as a tourist. You of course need to have your insurance, and that needs to be 50,000 USD dollars. So here we are at Thailand PASS, which are the officially side of the application. You take non-Thai, English, and you go in test and go, because this is what we are interested in. We don't want to have the other package you can take if you're not fully vaccinated. So it's important to remember that you have to be at this list of which countries that are allowed at the time speaking. That's about 60 plus. This can change, of course, so you need to double check. You need to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19. You need to have a PCR test within 72 hours before traveling. So what documents do we need? You need the passport, you need a certificate of vaccination, you need your hotel confirmation booking, and you need the PCR test confirmation, and also the insurance. We take travel, we take what country we travel from, and which airport we come to, and you simply write your flight number, when you're gonna arrive, and when you're gonna leave. And I put data in here, you can see, and you just hit the register, confirm. Okay, so here we are gonna put in our personal information. As you can see, I've put in my information. And here you're gonna take your passport and put your information in, and you will like to find your own picture of the passport, and you can see how you should have made your picture in. And we hit next. Okay, now we need to find our vaccination and put those information in. And after that, you will simply just hit next again. Okay, as you can see, I have put my information here about my vaccination, and you just simply take what kind of vaccine you have,
and upload the picture of your certificate. If you have a QR code, you can add that as well, the picture of the QR code as shown. I don't have. This will make it faster if you have, so do it if you can. And we will go to the next and last step. Here we are going to put in our booking confirmation and the address and so on, and your address outside of Thailand. So here I have what kind of booking I made, and I just put in a hotel name and which provenance in Phuket and the hotel's address and when you're gonna stay there, and your booking confirmation, your address, phone number, and emergency contact. And now we go to the last step, insurance. Here we just put the insurance number. So as you can see, I've put in the policy number, and my insurance cover these things, which is the required. Then I uploaded my insurance document, and then simply we are done. We will hit submit, and when you do this, you will get a confirmation code, 6 digits. This you can look and check your status again, where you simply use your email and your passport numbers, and you can see if it's approved or not. Again, I have documents in the my website where you can download free. Thank you.